I'ma still be like this. Comfort zone.
We
season, we cook it, we eat it. Season, we cook it, we eat it. Hey,
A drizzle, a pop. A drizzle, a pop. A drizzle, a drizzle, a drizzle, a pop.
Hey guys, welcome back to Jill's Comfort Zone. Hey guys, before what you see today, we are making some delicious baked barbecue chickpeas. And I'm sure you've seen my barbecue sauce, homemade barbecue sauce. So this is what I use for this delicious dish. So yes guys, this is a barbecue theme. I wanted to use my barbecue sauce so I can showcase what you can use with this delicious barbecue sauce. So these are my first time making. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up on this delicious recipe and enjoy. I will meet you back over there at the counter so we can see how this lovely dish comes out. Be right back. Hey guys, here are our ingredients we will be using for our baked barbecue chickpeas. Yes. So we have the can of chickpeas, the raw honey, some peppercorn medley, garlic powder, onion powder, complete seasoning. And here we have a lemon. We're going to use the zest and the juice of a lemon. Some brown sugar, light brown sugar. Oh, that delicious barbecue sauce. If you didn't see that video, go over there and check it out, guys. So delicious. I'm only making a little bit, so a little goes a long way. We have some fresh parsley, some green onions, and some red onions. All right, so let's get started and put this dish together. Trust me guys, this is going to be delicious. This is my first time making baked barbecue chickpeas, so just go with the flow with me. Go with the flow. Be right back. What's up guys, I'm back. So I peeled the skins off of the chickpeas here. I know you guys are probably like, oh, she is going barbecue crazy, huh? I don't like sweet baked beans, and to be honest with you guys, I really eat baked beans. I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't. I know a lot of people like, what girl, what? And I forgot to show you guys, I am going to use, you can use fresh pressed garlic. I'm going to use this garlic here. You see that? So I'm going to use the stirring garlic paste. A little bit there. Y'all know I love garlic, right? And the seasoning, guys, just lightly. Remember, our barbecue sauce is full of flavor. So you will not need, trust me, that much of flavor. You don't need that much seasoning in here, honey. Not at all. And that is why I like using the lemon juice, because it kind of take down the, the salt and, spices a little bit, just a little bit down a notch. So I'm already using brown sugar, and I just use just a little tad bit of honey. I'm just going to add a little parsley. Usually I just use the parsley for decorations, right? And as you can see, we don't have that much chickpeas. So, and then you'll go in with a taste, and then that's when you'll know what you need to add or not. Not too much lemon juice, just a squeeze there. All right. And then I'm going to take that same lemon. I didn't squeeze it all out, but I'm going to take a little of that and I'm going to zest it. Okay. Put that lemon zest on there. Oh, yes. A little lemon zest. Don't get the whiteness. It's tart. How are you guys doing today? Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. It's summertime. Barbecue. Yes. Everybody loves some baked beans. And what better substitute would you have? This is going to be so tasty, guys. Trust me. I know it is. I love chickpeas. So, I made some barbecue chicken. I probably didn't even need this much barbecue sauce, you see. And then I'm going to go in with a little bit more ketchup. All right, so let me go grab that. Sorry, should have had that here. I apologize. All right, I have finished. So I opened up a new ketchup, guys. And I'm just going to put a little bit in there, okay? Just a little bit. Not too much. And I did squeeze a little bit more lemon juice. I tasted, and I wanted to taste a little bit more lemon in here. And I don't like it drenching. The barbecue sauce is going to taste just fine, just like this. That's just me. When you make this, make it how you want it. Can y'all see me? That's better, guys. So make it however you want. So I'm going to taste this a little bit more and see if I want. Okay. Ooh. That is good. I'm going to add some more honey. Ooh, that tastes so good. Guys, this is going to be so flavorful and delicious. That garlic. And now I'll add a little bit more complete seasoning since I added that lemon in there. Alright. So you're going to cook this for about 15-20 minutes on 350 in a baking dish. Alright. So I'm going to grab the little baking dish here. And then you're going to be ready to eat, guys. This is going to be so delicious. Guys. And I know usually I'll put some bacon or some sausages or something like that in here, but this time, just in case, this is for my people who don't eat meat and just want something delicious, who don't like baked beans but love chickpeas, you know. Listen, guys, when I tell you this barbecue sauce, it's off the hook. It's off the hook. Alright, guys. So I'm going to see you in about 20 minutes. Alright, our barbecue baked chickpeas is done, guys. Thank you guys for coming. I truly appreciate each and every one of you guys. And if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Comment down below and let me know what you think about this video and what you'd like to see next. Stay blessed. I love you guys. Later.